Hey, what's up guys? So I'm going to help you guys to be able to withdraw some money from Luno. So Luno account. So you just have to go into, this is the face of Luno right here. So it's very easy to withdraw some money on Luno. There's just some few steps you just have to follow. So we're just going to go straight into wallets. So as for now, you can see that I have about 528 rand there. So that money is in Litecoin for now. So I would have to sell this one in so that I can convert it into rands. But just for demonstration, I don't have to do that for now. So there's a quicker way for you to be able to withdraw as quick as possible. So you just have to go straight here to ZAR, and then you're going to click here. Then there is deposit and there's withdrawal. So as for now, because these are just showing my other withdrawals I had before. So these were my other withdrawals I had before. So just to show you that I did withdraw before. So because I'm not going to complete this withdrawal, so you just have to come here and then click on withdraw. And then there is because I'm using Capitec, or you can add the details you want to add here so that you can withdraw with whichever bank that you have. So but with mine I already added the Capitec one, so you just have to click here. So you're going to put the amount of money you want to withdraw here, then you put it there. If you want your money to come as quickly as possible, you can click on this one. They're going to charge you at 20 rand, but as for me, I like to just withdraw it for free. They don't even charge me any money. You just have to put that amount of money. You don't check this box here, you leave it as it is, and then you don't have to even write anything here, and then you're going to just click next. So let's just put that 0.5 cents. So that's right there, 0.00 cent. That's there, and then you're going to click next. So my amount is too little, so I cannot even withdraw this one as for now. So but it's as easy as it is. When you get here, you just have to go click next, and then you just going to put in your PIN code, and then you're done. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you actually enjoyed it, or if you didn't, leave a comment and then I'll come back to it with a clear crystal one. But I just wanted to do this because there was someone who was actually asking about this one, so I had to do something quick so that they can actually see it. So thanks for watching, guys. Then I will see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.